Hey, what is going on, guys? Reaper Chicken 886 here, and this is the E-Element Z88 mechanical keyboard. So, first of all, why am I doing a review on a keyboard? Is because this thing on Amazon is only like 50 bucks, 45 bucks, I think. And it is a full RGB mechanical double shot injection keycaps, all the stuff. Now this thing has full RGB, and it is sporting Utemu blue switches, I believe, although it's available in brown and green, or brown and red, I think it is. And you can also get it in two different colors. So yeah, red switches, brown switches, and blue switches. And you can get it in blue, or now this thing has full RGB, programmable, and we'll get more on that later. And it also is sporting Utemu blue mechanical switches, I believe. And, well, this particular model has blue switches, but I think you can get it in red and brown. And you can get it in white too, which is cool. So, yeah. Now this thing is a mere 50 bucks, like 46 bucks on Amazon. Link in the description if you want to go check it out. But, yeah. Now I said I'd get to the programmable RGB, and yeah, it's a little bit iffy. There's no actual software for it, but you can just do it kind of with different combinations and key switches and different stuff. It's kind of weird, but my personal favorite is this one. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Now this thing does have, like, neat little things to reroute the cables, or the cable management or whatever, but it kind of messes up the cables, so I don't really like to use them. Now I did get this thing for Christmas, and I have been using it as my daily driver for like a month, I believe. Well, how long ago was Christmas? I don't remember. But, yeah, I am fairly impressed for 50 bucks. Now, the cable is not anything amazing. It's not like a braided cable or whatever. It's just a rubber cable. But, I mean, what do you expect for a keyboard that's this cheap? I mean, not cheap. It's 50 bucks. It's a mechanical keyboard. But, get over there. But still, I mean, it's not braided. Whatever. And, yeah. Fairly sturdy build quality. I can't really feel any flex in this thing. But yeah. Like I said, this thing is only like 50 bucks, so yeah. It's cheap. And you can just go ahead and turn off the RGB altogether if you really want, which I don't know why anybody would do that, but now for the programmable RGB, there's no real software on the computer. It's just kind of, you go like something, no, you go like this, you go like this, and then you can just choose whatever color you want the key to be, and just basically make it light up. You can't do any different sequences or whatever. I mean, there are pre-programmed sequences, but you can't really do custom sequences or whatever. But yeah, that is the E-Element Z88 keyboard. Mechanical, blue switches, RGB, fully RGB-ish, and yeah, I would definitely go recommend buy this thing. If you do want to, there is a link down in the description. And while you're down in the description, I'm going to have to ask you guys to subscribe and leave a like on this video if you did enjoy. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This is the E-Element Z88 keyboard. And yeah, oh yeah, and you can change the direction it's going, so yeah, that's kind of weird.